Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 12 exponents and powers. 7th class already you learned a laws of exponent, that is a raised to m into a raised to n. Same base. Here what are the base? A is the base, m and n are the powers. They have same base. Then multiplication case, powers what we want to do? Powers are adding m and n were add a raised to m plus n. Next, second rule says that division case. Division case same base and different power. That time base right and one time powers are subtract a raised to m minus n. Then third rule says that bases are different. Here a and b are the base, but power is same. In that case, bases are multiplied and same power we want to write. What are the base? A and b, they are multiplied. A into b. What is the power there? M is the power. Fourth rule says that division case. Division case, they have different base, but powers are same. That case also what we want to do? Bases are divided. Base were divided and power were right one time. Base are divided and one time power are writing. Next, 2 power is coming. 2 powers are coming. That case, see a raised to m whole power n. A raised to m whole power n. In that case, powers are multi m and n power. Base is a power were multiply m into n. M into n means mn. Next, 6th rule says that a raised to 0, example 3 raised to 0, value become always how much 1, or 4 raised to 0, value become how much, raising power become 0, value become 1. Next, 7th rule, any negative integer coming time we can express as in form of a fraction, which way 1 by a raised to minus sign will remove it. Negative case, we can express as in a fractional form and remove the negative symbol. Again, a minus not coming there, 1 by a n only coming. That is the rule of the laws of exponent. Then, basis of this rule, we can solve exercise 13.1. Exercise 13 not 12.1. 12.1 exercise. First problem, evaluate. First question, 3 raised to minus 2. Evaluate. Find out. Here see which law? Negative rule. Negative case means a raised to minus n. How we can express a? We can express as in form of a 1 by a raised to n. That's why in this question we can 3 raised to minus 2 we can express as 1 by 3 raised to 2. 1 by 3 raised to 2 means what? 3 raised to 2 means what? 3 is multiplied 2 times. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 become how much? 1 by 9. In this way we can write and stop. The second question, minus 4 raised to minus 2. Negative power case. Here also we can express, they also in form of a raised to minus n equal. How we can express it? We can express as 1 by a raised to n. Here we can express as a 1 by minus 4 raised to 2. That minus removing positive 2 will come in. Then what is the meaning of this question? Minus 4 is how many times multiply? Minus 4 2 times right term. So answer become how much? 1 by minus into minus change into plus 16. So 1 by 16 is the answer. Third question answer is like that. Next, fourth question. Third question. Third question is 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. Here also negative power is the negative power. How to remove? Which rule? A raised to minus n rule. That one we can express as a raised to 1 by a raised to n. That form we can express. So here 1 by this one. A raised to n value is how much? 1 by 2 raised to 5. A raised to n place which value here coming? 1 by 2 raised to 5. Here base is 1 by 2, power is 5. Here denominator, see fractional number. Denominator comes fractional number means a reciprocal take and multiply here. So reciprocal become here 1 into 2 by 1 power 5 will coming in. So 2 power is given time 1 into 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 means how we can express 2 into 2 into 2 into, that way we can express 5 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 60, 16 2s are 32 is the answer. So answer become 30. So see, 1 by 2 the whole power 5. Then denominator having fractional number. Fractional number coming time, how to remove, write reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 become 2 by 1. And the power is 5. That's why here power coming. Meaning 2 is multiplied 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5, what is the meaning? Denominator 1, leave it. 1 raised to 5 means 1 only, leave it. The 1 into 2 raised to 5 will coming, meaning 1 into 2 means 2. 5 raised to 2 raised to 5 means 2 is writing 5 times and multiply. That is the meaning of that first Roman. Then next we go through second part. Second Roman. Simplify. Question they asking, simplify and express as in power notation. Express in a power notation form. In power notation. In power notation. Question is, first question is minus 4 raised to 5 divided with minus 4 raised to 8. Minus 4 raised to 5 divided with minus 4 raised to 8. Here see division form, they have same base. Division case, powers are subtract. Which property this one? A raised to m divided by a raised to n. Same base means base right to one time. Powers are subtraction. That rule here applying. Which rule? This rule. Then rule applied, instead of a place base value is how much? Minus 4. What are the powers? 5 and 8 are the powers. 5 and 8 are the powers. So 5 minus 8 will coming there. Then subtract. 5 is a positive integer, 8 is a negative integer. Subtract and put big numbers. 8 minus 5 become 3. A bigger number is 8. Sign of 3 is minus 3. Minus, that's why our power become minus. Again, which form this answer? It is in form of a negative power case. A raised to minus n form. A raised to minus n, how we can express a 1 by a raised to n. That means 1 by a minus 4 raised to 3. This minus sign we are removing. Negative power coming time we can express as in the fractional form. Then see what is the answer. Meaning is minus 4 is how many times right hand multiply? They ask in power notation. So in this way right hand stop. They ask in power notation. That's why in this way right hand stop. Otherwise we can expand and multiply. Here need not want to expand the power notation only they asking. So we can express as in this form. I hope you can understand this question. Next we go through second question. Second Roman. Second question is 1 by 2 raised to 3 whole power 2. Whole power 2. Here see it is in form of a power case. Each numerator also outside power given, denominator also outside power. 1 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 the whole power 2. 1 raised to 2 means how much? 1. Then here 2 power case. A raised to m whole power n. What is the answer? Powers are multiply. A raised to m. Here also powers are multiply. 3 2s are how much will coming? 6. So 1 by 2 raised to 6 is the answer. Here outside power is given to the inside bracket, numerator case and denominator case. Power we were giving and power calculation doing 1 by 2 raised to 6 will get in there. Then next question. Next question is third question. Third question they given us in this way. 3 raised to minus 7. 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus n into 3 raised to minus 1 in this way. So first we give preference for the bracket. Bracket is in which form? A division form. A raised to m divided a raised to n form. What is the identity? A raised to, same base means base right to one time n form. A raised to base right to one time, powers were subtract. Here n powers are different. So we can express like this. So it is equal to base is 3, power are minus 7, powers m value and n value are subtract. M value denoted as minus 7, n value denoted as minus 10. Here already this minus is there. So how we can write? Into outside what is there? Into 3 raised to minus 5 is there. So again calculation, 3 raised to minus 7, minus of minus change to plus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Again 3 raised to powers are add, but one is negative number, other is positive number. What we want to do? Subtract. So 10 minus 7 become 3, which is bigger number? 10 is bigger. So positive side is 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus. Again which property? The multiplication case apply. A raised to m into a raised to n. The expansion they says that base right to one time powers were add. Here what are the power here? Base is 3, power is 3, is added with minus 5. What are the powers? 3 and minus 5 are the powers. Then calculation, 3 raised to plus or minus change to minus. So 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 become 1 is positive integer, other is negative integer. What shall we do? Here subtract and put big number. Subtraction do in 2. So which 2 will coming a minus 2. 5 is bigger number. Sign of 5 is negative. That's why 3 raised to minus 2 is the answer. Third question answer become 3 raised to minus 2. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next we go through third Roman. In third Roman, they says that find the value. Find the value asking time. You want to expand and find out the value. First question they says that 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to 2. In this way, 3 raised to 0. That means which form? A raised to 0. What is the value? 1. So we can represent as 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1. That means a raised to minus and 4. How we can express it? To represent as 1 by a raised to n negative. So there also we can express as 1 by 4 raised to 1 means 4 into 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 means how much? 2 is multiplied 2 times. 2 into 2 become how much? 4. Then here inside bracket 1 is positive whole number, another is a fraction of 4. LCM. LCM become 4. 4 cross multiply 1 into 4. 4 plus 1 by 4 outside 4 is the denominator numerator 4 cancel. 4 plus 1 comes to be 4 plus 1 comes to be how much? 5 is the answer. I hope you can understand this. The next one is second question. Second question they says about minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 3 raised to 4. Here they given us minus 3 raised to 4 into, here each power were given. 5 also given by the power 4. Denominator 3 also given by the power 4. Then same variable means cancel. Same power and same number. Here 1, here comes to be how much? Minus 1. So answer become minus 1 into 5 raised to 4. 5 raised to 4 become how much it will coming there? 5 raised to minus 4. It comes to be 5 is multiply how many times? 4 times. Minus into 4. 1 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 into 4 to 5. 5 5s are 25. 10 12 6 625 minus 625 will get in there. That is the meaning of this question. Then next question. Next question go through third question. Third question they tells that 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 whole power 0. Whole power 0 in this way. So we know that 3 raised to minus 1, which loss of exponent, a raised to minus n. A raised to minus n, how we can express? 1 by fractional form we can write. So here we can write it as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 raised to 0. Then all of them have a different denominator, LCM. LCM become a LCM of 3a, 4a, 5. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are how much? 60. So each fraction take first fraction 3 table 60 when it is 20 times 20 into 3 becomes 60. Second fraction take 4 table 60 when it is 4 into 15 comes to be 60. So numerator and denominator multiply with 50. Second fraction 1 by 5, 5 table 16, 5 into 12 becomes 60. So numerator and denominator multiply with 12. Then there outside part is all raised to 0 is. Inside part 1 into 20 become 20. 3 into 20 becomes 60. Second part 1 into 15 become 50. 4 into 50 becomes 60 plus 1 into 12 become 12, 5 into 12 becomes 60. Outside power is 0. Now see all denominators are same. Numerators part add 20 plus 15 plus 12. How much will coming there? 47. 47 raised to outside 0. Any number raising with the power 0. What is the answer? 1 is the answer. So we get answer as 1 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.